St. Joseph Academy of Nursing, Kabadon Ha Umtrau, Riboy District, Menta Kasngi, Laipho Tarik Nailur, Pynkup Burom ya arpuh Ngut ki Samla Puli, ki Bade ki Kenhun Beningkong, ki Bala Pyndep ya ka graduate Haka General Nursing and Midwifery GNM, Jong Snamar Hajar Arpuwe, Hadu Arpusa. Ya kini kejingnya lang Pynkup Burom la penlong ha Meba Ai Resort Umtrau. Nakaliang Khubor penyat ketika Shillong pule kila aitiru deki momentous syabaro arpuh Ngut ki Samla ki bala Pyndep ya ka GNM graduate kum kadak ka jing Burom bat jing lekmen ya ka jing job ka jongki. Nakaliang Khubor penyat ketika Shillong pule kila aitiru deki memento syabaro arpuh Ngut ki Samla ki bala Pyndep ya ka GNM graduate kum kadak ka jing Burom bat ka jing lekmen ya ka jing job jongki. Haka sengi kejing Pynkup Burom ki Samla pule u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon MP Lok Sabha na Shillong ula Shimbata kumukongsan haka jing danlang u Dr. Amanwar u Bade u Director Barim ka Health and Services MI kumusubut kongsan u ba AL Hek Advisor ka St. Joseph Academy School of Nursing Umtrau ka Kong Iban Rilen Rani Principal Kong Ibalari Siang Shai Managing Director bat kiwe labat ki Samla pule kilong hikai bat ki kemi ki kpa.
I request everyone to kindly give a big round of applause.
St. Joseph Academy of Nursing, I would say, it shines as a beacon of excellence, upholding the highest standard of service, character, and academic achievement. As the previous speaker had mentioned, we mentioned about the motto of this academy, that is learn, build, and achieve. Well, I believe that the academy has consistently nurtured not just skilled professionals, but professionals with compassion. Professionals who carry forward this noble mission of healthcare. Founded under the Grace Educational Trust, its vision remains steadfast to nurture service-minded youth, ready to bear the witness of Christ's love through acts of compassion and to serve community irrespective of caste, creed, or religion. From its humble beginning way back in 2020, I've learned that this academy has steadily grown, adding multiple batches of GNM students and proudly launching its first BSc nursing program this year. Well, this is a commendable achievement. Congratulations to the management of this academy. Well, what started just one course in a small group has now transformed into a thriving institution. And now nurturing about 3 batches of JNM students and 1 batch of BSc nursing students. Well, united by a shared dream of serving humanity through nursing, I would say that this remarkable growth of this institution in a matter of just few years surely reflects perseverance and vision of its founders, and also the unwavering commitment to bring this institution to one which is, I hope, in this region, one of the premier institutions in the days to come. Well, to the young graduates of today, let me tell you that today you join the noble ranks of those who have dedicated their lives to healing. Well, to appreciate the weight and the beauty of this noble calling, let us be reminded of the life of Florence Nightingale, who is known as the Lady with the Lamp. Well, I'm sure you would know better about the history of Florence Nightingale more than many of us. Well, it was during the Crimean War that she wore the wards at night, carrying a lamp. And let me tell you, it was not just a lamp that she carried in her hand. It was the spirit or the heart to comfort the sick, and therefore she not only carried a lamp, but a light of hope. She ignited in the hearts of those soldiers who were maybe, living or lying in that bed of despair, of hopelessness. Nightingale has reminded herself that she redefined nursing not only through the skill and science, but also through relentless compassion, discipline, and courage. As I'm talking, my eyes, let me tell you, is focused most on these young graduates. This is their day.
Proud with this award of diploma, for it represents both academic achievement and personal growth, symbolizing the transition from student life to professional pursuits, and for those interested in further continuing their studies, higher academic pursuits. The graduation ceremony signifies not only the culmination of years of hard work, but also the beginning of new opportunities and responsibilities. I believe that the St. Joseph's Academy of Nursing is conducting this year its first graduation ceremony for the inaugural batch of 27 graduates, 2021 to 2024, and that they come from all parts of the state. This is a proud moment for the Academy. Hats off to Umtrol's St. Joseph's Academy of Nursing on this remarkable achievement. Let us give them a big hand. I understand that this event marks the dedication, compassion, economic, academic excellence in the field of nursing. The conferment of degrees upon the graduates signifies not only the successful completion of their professional training, but also their readiness to serve the society with skill, care, and commitment. So go out into the world and serve with an attitude of mission, of action, with passion. Respected nurses, remember, it has been rightly said that constant attention by a good nurse may be just as important as a major operation by a surgeon. Never forget that. The first line for a patient are the nurses. The Academy have humbly started with a GNM course in 2021 and now have also upgraded to BSc Nursing from this year. Your vision to promote premier nursing education, to bring out service-minded youths to serve humanity is on the right track.
Chief Guest and the guest of honor, today will be more speech for the benefit of our students today, but I'd like to tell you, I just remember the word of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda, I just want to quote his word. He has said, keep moving, keep going, till you achieve your goal, till you reach your goal. Until unless you achieve your goal, you will not be able to do anything in your life. That is the word given by Swami Vivekananda. Don't stop. Keep moving, keep going, till you reach your goal, till you achieve your goal. So that is very important in your life. So I am quote, therefore, you have been chosen a very noble profession. You are the light of the world. You have chosen this profession, the light of the world. The important in our life today is, what is in our life today, what is important in our life today is to serve, not to be served. We are here to serve, not to be served. We are all here to serve, not to be served. So that's why you should keep in your mind today when you are going to be serving, giving your services to the hospital, the nurse, to any health center or the PCCC, you are going to meet so many people, particularly the patients. I used to tell this, the patients are impatient. The patients are impatient. We should understand for the mind, when they are a patient, they are always impatient. They need immediately relief, they need immediately treatment, they need anything which is urgently required. So therefore you have to be patient in your services. Until unless you are patient in your life, patient in your mind, you will not be able to give your noble profession which you have been chosen.
Followed by Lieutenant Barbecue. I request Lieutenant Barbecue to come forward. Vacancy Khubor to come forward. I call upon Butterplum Pony. Next I call upon Raimi Perto. Next I call upon Raymond B. Sana.
Khuborjylla smearing cream,